Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best artificial Christmas tree 6FT with lights and stand, the Dazzle Bright 6FT pre-lit Christmas tree. Whether you're decorating indoors or outdoors, this tree is built to steal the spotlight and transform your space into a winter wonderland. First off, the tree stands tall at 6 feet with a width of 30 inches, making it a perfect centerpiece for your living room, entryway, patio, or even your garden. It's not just about height. The tree comes lushly packed with 900 branch tips that give it a full, dense, and incredibly realistic appearance. Along with that, you get 62 beautifully crafted pine cones that add an authentic wintry touch. But what really makes this tree shine, literally, is its 300 built-in RGB LED lights. These aren't your average static lights. They're smart RGB lights, capable of changing colors, reacting to music, and setting different moods depending on the vibe you're going for. Whether you're throwing a holiday party or enjoying a cozy evening, these lights bring an extra dose of magic. Now let's talk about control, because you get a lot of it. The tree comes with both remote and app-based control options, giving you the flexibility to switch lighting modes, adjust brightness, change speed, and even set timers. There are 3 timer settings to choose from: 4 hours on and 20 off, 6 hours on and 18 off, or 8 hours on and 16 off. That's convenience built right in, so your tree lights up exactly when you want it to without lifting a finger. One standout feature is the music synced light show. Yes, you heard that right. The LED lights respond to the rhythm of your music. Whether you're blasting Christmas classics or a modern holiday playlist, the lights pulse and dance in sync, creating a mesmerizing audio-visual experience that's sure to impress both kids and adults. And don't worry about safety or durability. The LEDs are powered by a low-voltage system that keeps them cool to the touch. A great peace of mind feature, especially with pets or little ones around. Plus, the entire setup is IP44 waterproof rated. That means rain or snow won't be an issue if you're using this tree outdoors. Assembly is straightforward. The stand is sturdy and stable, ensuring your tree remains upright and balanced even when fully decorated. And thanks to the tree's design, decorating is a joy. The ample branch space makes it easy to hang ornaments, garlands, and more without feeling cramped. When it comes to versatility, this tree fits just about any setting. Place it by your fireplace, in your office lobby, or even outside on your porch. The snow-dusted effect adds a subtle elegance that makes it feel like you brought a piece of the forest into your home. To sum it up, the Dazzle Bright 6FT pre-lit Christmas tree delivers on every front: design, functionality, and festive flair. With its smart lighting, music sync feature, remote and app controls, and elegant build, it stands out as a holiday must-have. If you're looking to invest in a Christmas tree that you'll use year after year and one that truly brings the holiday spirit alive, this is the one to go for. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more in-depth product breakdowns. Happy holidays and see you in the next video.